So today we are going to be doing some juicy, fluffy mini twists with Afro Kinky human bulk hair from QVR. The length of this hair was 22 inches, and for this entire hairstyle I used 5 packs of hair, and I'll be using 3 packs of the bulk hair in color natural, which is like color 1B, and 2 packs of color 4, which looks like color 30. So this is what the hair looks like. First thing I noticed was that the hair was really soft. So for my hair, I actually washed my hair the previous day, divided the hair into like 4 sections and just kind of like braided it to stretch the hair. So I ended up not using heat for this hairstyle. So for my base, I'm going to go ahead and divide my hair into 6 sections like so. And to kind of like make my parts crisp and clear, I'm going to go ahead with the red Shine and Jam, the magic fingers. It is truly magic in a bottle. So the first thing I did was part my hair from the front to the back, and then once I was done with that, I also cut out the back section like so. And also kind of like divided my hair from ear to ear, which made me have 6 sections all through, like 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. And the reason why I did this is because I've come to discover that since mini twist is one hairstyle that is actually time consuming, it's actually easier to work in sections. Like, it makes you see your progress, if that makes any sense. Okay, so after doing that, I went ahead to divide the back section into 3 rows like so, and just kind of like clipped the first 2 away. Now when I started doing this hair, my intention was to go for like big, not really like mini twists, but like chunky twists, if that makes any sense. But then along the line, I discovered that I just didn't like the way it looked. It was just not giving what it was supposed to give. So even though I went ahead and, you know, did all of this on camera, I literally had to loosen up the hair. Like, I was almost done. Halfway through, I was like, nope, this is not it. So I had to like loosen the hair and, you know, go for smaller sections. I've seen so many people kind of like do like the big or like bigger twist, and to be honest, I actually admired it, but trying it on myself, that was an absolute fail. So I was like, you know what, let me just stick to what I know. It's gonna take more time, but is it gonna be worth it? Absolutely. And I was in love with this hair. So this right here is how I achieved this hairstyle. Because I find it difficult to kind of like grip my hair, I decided to go for the crochet method. In my opinion, this is like an easier route. Okay, I ended up using my rat steel precision comb to just kind of like make smaller boxes like so, and went ahead with a rubber band. These are the very slim ones, and I got them from Temu. And the second I braided my hair, it just kind of like buried everything inside. Once you tie down your hair, make sure you don't kind of like pull the hair flat, because if you make the hair tight and snug, it's going to be difficult for your crochet needle to kind of like go underneath the hair like so. Now to achieve this hairstyle, the first thing you want to do is slide your crochet needle underneath your hair like so. Once you do that, place your Afro Kinky human bulk hair into the hook, close the latch and pull the hair out to the other side, and then make a 3-strand braid. As you can see, my hair is in the middle and I have like the Afro Kinky human bulk hair on both sides, and I'm just going to use my own natural hair as my third leg and braid the hair down, say about 2 to 3 inches. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and split out whatever is left of my natural hair into 2, add it to both sides of the human hair and start twisting until I get to the end. So I'm going to show you guys one more example. Again, you want to slide your crochet needle underneath your hair like so. Place your Afro Kinky human bulk hair into the hook, close the latch and pull the hair out to the other side. Make sure that the length of the hair is equal on both sides, and with your hair in the middle, just go ahead and start braiding. As you guys can see, again, I braided my hair down about 10 times and started twisting. Now once you're twisting the hair, if you feel like one side of the bulk hair is actually thinner than the other side, feel free to just borrow hair like so. As you guys can see, while doing this particular one, the left hand side was slightly bigger than the right hand side, so I went ahead and just borrowed a little amount of hair from the left, added it to the right, and twisted until I got to the end, and this hair was beautiful. So this is what the hair looks like. The hair felt so soft. I love the color choice that I made. The mixture of the natural color as well as the color of 4 just kind of like made the hair not look flat. So to lay my edges, I went ahead and just divided my hair into 2 and used this hairband that I received from Judylicious Hair and Accessories. And then for my edges, I went ahead with my Got to Be Glue in the yellow bottle. I went in with my all-time favorite styling mousse, which is the Lothar Body Styling Mousse. And then to kind of like add some nourishment to my scalp, I used the Muriel Peppermint and Rosemary Oil. I've actually seen a lot of improvements in my hair and I'm hooked. So I dipped my hair in cold water and immediately I took the hair out of the water. To define the curls, I applied the Hawaiian Silky, I think it's like the 7-in-1 to the hair, and that was all, guys. This hair was beautiful. It didn't feel so full to the point where it looked unnatural, being that I don't have that much hair. Like, it looks like it could be my hair, to be honest. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Also make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.